What's up everyone, this is Wayne here. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the Stihl RCA 20 hand push washer. Really hoping this thing will get used this year for 2025 because, like I said, this one has not been used ever since May, okay? Or did it get used on, I don't remember exactly, but it did, like you said, the thing has just been sitting ever since the time it's been used almost quite a bit, but I really hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly, which it will exactly because as you can tell, I don't even know what this eager button even does here because I've seen videos that light will come on with the batteries hooked up and you can see definitely expected this thing, but this is a 2024 model, so this thing came out like last year, which I know that because I got it this year for 2025 exactly, which is actually was not that bad exactly, which is pretty nice looking machine in my opinion. As you can see, she's been used a lot of times because lots of times because we can tell this thing's been used almost quite a bit because I do like this thing a lot because you see how much I expected this machine exactly because I may hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly, which it will get used this year for 2025 exactly because well I do want this so you can see because when you get the Stihl logo on you can see that this is called the RCA 20, which is exactly how much I expected this machine exactly because it's not a bad looking machine in my opinion, but you can tell this thing's been used almost like quite a bit because well, because I expected you to see, because this is a pretty nice looking one in my opinion. So I really hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2025, exactly, which it will exactly because well because you can see how much expected this machine's been used almost like quite a bit because I promise you this thing will get used this year for 2025, exactly, which it will get used at some point because well I mean this thing like this I do like this machine because even though this thing has been used almost a couple of times already in this machine, but you can tell this thing's being used almost quite a bit. But hoping this thing will get used this for 2025 exactly, which it will exactly because you really see how much expected this machine's been used almost like quite a bit because I promise you this thing will get used this year for 2025.